Hey guys, I'm Josh. I've been working on cars for as long as I can remember, since I was a kid. I remember when my little Honda Civic blew a head gasket and I didn't have any money to fix it, and I had to figure out how to fix it. So I've been figuring it out ever since then. And I used to live in Washington State. Now I live in the big island of Hawaii, which is awesome for me because it's warm and I hate being cold. When I started out working on cars, I wish I would have had more resources for how to do stuff when I got stuck. And nowadays, YouTube is amazing with little videos on how to do basically everything. However, I found a lot of them can be long, hard to understand, the camera work is really shaky. So my friend and I, with his background in video editing and mine in working on cars, we thought we could do a pretty good job of bringing videos that would be more helpful, the kind that I wish I would have had when I was a kid. So we have big plans to bring you more frequent videos, ones that are really good, high quality, awesome. We love hearing your comments and seeing how the videos have helped. That's really why we're doing it, but we need your help to keep going. It does take a lot of time and resources, and the way that YouTube is set up, we don't actually make anything until we have 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, would you subscribe to the channel Budget Mechanic so that we can continue producing these awesome videos for all you budget mechanics out there.